In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trend regularity adaptive moving average in TradingView Pro. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, we're going to start by opening the indicators menu because that's where all the built-in and community tools live inside TradingView. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle of that bar. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a new window will pop up over your chart. This is the Indicators and Strategies panel, and it's where we're going to search for the Trend Regularity Adaptive Moving Average. Inside this panel, you'll notice a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. This is important because TradingView has a lot of indicators, and the fastest way to find what you need is simply to type its name. Now, start typing Trend Regularity Adaptive Moving Average into the search field. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Give it a second to load and look through the list that appears. When you see Trend Regularity Adaptive Moving Average in the results, move your mouse over it and click once. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added directly onto your chart. You should now see a new line or series of lines plotted over your price action. That is your Trend Regularity Adaptive Moving Average. From here, you can customize it if you want. To do that, hover over the indicator's name in the top left of your chart. Click on the settings icon and adjust inputs like length, smoothing, or colors to match your trading style and make it easier to read. Take a moment to experiment with different settings and see how the indicator reacts to price changes. If you're using the free version of TradingView and you find that you quickly hit the limit on how many indicators you can add, or you want more advanced features, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro. I have an affiliate link in the description that will take you straight to the official TradingView Pro sign up page. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps me keep creating these step-by-step tutorials. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Trend Regularity Adaptive Moving Average to your chart in TradingView Pro, and you're ready to start testing it in your own analysis.